it is very hard for you to trade in cryptos without getting taxed here in Cyprus. The only way to do this is when you have inherited some cryptocurrency, you haven't touched it, and you've sold it once, and that's it. You don't have any other ties or any other connections with trading, reading, or investing in cryptocurrencies. There are ways to do stuff like this, so please send me an email and I will be more than happy to assist you. But the bottom line of this is that if you are mining, if you are investing money slowly in cryptos, if you're selling gradually, irrespective of whether you wait for a year or two, you will be taxed here in Cyprus. Of course, based on the articles you've read so far and our discussions and emails, and of course the previous videos we made, the optimum solution is to trade cryptos by a company, and this is because the corporation tax is 12.5%, effective tax is much lower, maybe 8%, because the Cyprus Income Tax Office is very lax and allows lots of expenses to be covered by the company. And of course, the dividend tax is zero if you are a non-domiciled tax resident here in Cyprus, and it is of course zero if you do not live in Cyprus at all. However, maybe you will be subject to tax in your home country, and this is something you need to check with your local accountants and tax experts. However, do not trade in cryptos as a person, because you will be slaughtered by the tax, assuming that your profits are more than 60,000, which they will be, you will be taxed at 35%. So it doesn't make any sense at all even talking about it. If you will trade cryptos and you will be taxed in Cyprus, do it by a company. It's something that we do. It's something that we specialize on. So feel free to send us an email, a call, and we will incorporate the company for you, make sure that everything is okay, so that when you finally decide to sell the cryptos, it can be taxed at 12.5%. or much lower, because we're talking about the official rate and not the effective rate, which is the rate that you actually pay. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and don't forget to go to the Knowledge Hub and read our articles about this topic.